Hi everyone. So in this video we'll learn how to get number of characters in a string using JavaScript. So let's get started. Let's have a basic HTML structure here. Link to a style sheet. Add the script file at the bottom, which is script.js. We need one div element, one input element, one button. Let's make it get. We need one h1 element here. Let's make it result. Just save it. Go to style sheet. Select body element. Text align will be center. Select div element. Display will be inline block. Select input element and the button. Display will be inline block. And padding will be 10 pixels and 20 pixels. Now just save it. Open this file in the browser. And this is the output. Now let's try to understand how it will actually work. I will type some string here. For example, let's type Peter. And this string is having around 5 characters. So on the click of this get button, I want to show 5 here. Let's go to JavaScript file. Select the button, which is get. Select input element. Select the h1 element. Let's make it result. Add event list to the button, which is click. You can get the number of characters in any string using length property. So it will go like this. Result.inner text will be equal to input.value. This will give us the string, but we want to know the number of characters, so we'll make use of length property here like this. Just save it, go to browser. Now let's type Peter here. Click, you can see we are getting 5. Now let's type Mary 4. Let's type hello world. It got around, I think, 11 characters. See, I hope you got the point how it actually works. See you in the next video. Have a nice day.